Right here at Mustang Week 2018 with Zenna Tires. You know, the Mustang market's huge. Great people, great gathering. Set up a static display today here at the convention center. We got Jason Brozak's street car running our street compound. We got my Formula D drift car running our track compound. It's a 2017 S550 Mustang chassis. It started out originally as a GT that we converted into a Shelby Super Snake Widebody. Right now it's rocking a Coyote with a 2.9 Whipple, and the guys at Palm Beach Dyno just got done tuning it. 17 pounds of boost, we made 838 wheel and 658 pounds of torque on some Ignite E90 race gas. And we put on a show for the crowds earlier this week. For more information, check out ZennaTires.com and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram.